Now I am going to stitch the front princess cut in the front. You just take 1 centimeter seam allowance and stitch there. This is the collar. Just stitch the collar and just stitch the 1 centimeter seam allowance. Start here and stop here. Don't stitch this part because this is for the flip. This is for the turn. Okay, and after that, this is the back facing. Just stitch like this. Stitch on the center back part. This is the back part. Just stitch the center back part. Just stitch center back part. And this is the back princess cut panel. You can stitch like this. Okay. And this one is princess back front princess cut lining, and this one is facing. You can stitch like this. Same here. Okay.